Welcome to the Cisco CCNA 200-301 quiz on IPv4 addressing, analyzing Classful IPv4 networks. Test your knowledge on Classful IP addressing, subnetting, and network segmentation. This quiz will help reinforce key concepts and prepare you for real-world networking scenarios. Ready to challenge yourself? Let's get started. Question 1. Which of the following are valid Class A network IDs? Choose two answers. A. 1.0.0.0.0, B. 130.0000, C. 127.0000, D. 9.0000. Correct answer is B. 130.0.0.0, C. 127.0.0.0. Class A networks have a first octet in the range of 1 to 126 inclusive, and their network IDs have a 0 in the last 3 octets. A network ID of 130.0.0.0 is actually a Class B network. First octet range 128 to 191 inclusive. All addresses that begin with 127 are reserved, so 127.0.0.0 is not a Class A network. Question 2. Which of the following are not valid Class B network IDs? A. 130.00.00, B. 192.255.00, C. 128.00.00, D. 150.255.00. E. All are valid Class B network IDs. Correct answer. E. All are valid Class B network IDs. All Class B networks begin with values between 128 and 191 inclusive in their first octet. The network ID has any value in the 128 to 191 range in the first octet, and any value from 0 to 255 inclusive in the second octet, with decimal zeros in the final 2 octets. 2 of the answers show a 255 in the second octet, which is acceptable. 2 of the answers show a 0 in the second octet, which is also acceptable. Question 3. Which of the following are true about IP address 172.16.99.45's IP? Choose two answers. A. The network ID is 172.0.0.0. B. The network is a Class B network. C. The default mask for the network is 255.255.255.0. D. The number of host bits in the unsubnetted network is 16. Correct answer is B. The network is a Class B network. And D. The number of host bits in the unsubnetted network is 16. The first octet, 172, is in the range of values for Class B addresses, 128 to 191. As a result, the network ID can be formed by copying the first 2 octets, 172.16, and writing 00 for the last 2 octets, 172.16.00. The default mask for all Class B networks is 255.255.0.0, and the number of host bits in all unsubnetted Class B is 16. Question 4. Which of the following are true about IP address 192.168.6.7's IP network? Choose two answers. A. The network ID is 192.168.6.0. B. The network is a Class B network. C. The default mask for the network is 255.255.255.0. D. The number of host bits in the unsubnetted network is 16. Correct answers. A. The network ID is 192.168.6.0. And D. The number of host bits in the unsubnetted network is 16. The first octet 191 is in the range of value for Class C addresses 192 to 223. As a result, the network ID can be formed by copying the first 3 octets, 192.168.6, and writing 0 for the last octet, 192.168.6.0. The default mask for all Class C networks is 255.255.255.0, and the number of host bits in all unsubnetted Class C network is 8. Question 5. Which of the following is a network broadcast address? A. 10.1.255.255. B. 192.168.255.1. C. 224.1.1.255. D. 172.30.255.255. Correct answer D. 172.30.255.255. To find the network address, first determine the class and then determine the number of host octets. At that point, convert the host octets to 255 to create the network broadcast address. In this case, 10.1255.255 is in a Class A network with the last 3 octets as host octets for a network address of 10.255.255.255. For 192.168.255.1, it is a Class C address with the last octet as the host part. For a network broadcast address of 191.168.255.255, address 224.1.1.255 is a Class D address, so it is not in any unicast IP network, and the question does not apply. For 172.30.255.255, it is a Class B address with the last 2 octets as host octet, so the network broadcast address is 172.30.255.255. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this video helped you on your journey to acing the Cisco CCNA 200-301 exam. Keep in mind, the CCNA exam doesn't have a fixed passing score. It typically falls between 800 and 850 out of 1,000, so aim high during your studies. If you have any questions or tips to share, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.